So AliExpress wants proof. Obviously they think we're all lying. One of their best customers probably. But here's this skyloong keyboard, which I still got upside down. Hoping that it'll come right. And if I try and power it on, you can see it just won't go at all now. Holding the button in, not powering up. Now, if I plug it in, you'll see what it does. Unfortunately, how do you do this one-handed? I don't know. Let me just put that down. Okay, for a quick second take. Okay, so you saw what happened. Maybe you didn't. Powered up for about half 30 seconds as it was doing a check. And then it simply disconnects the USB. See if I can plug it in one-handed. Yeah, powering up, doing a check. And then it disconnects again. On the left hand side is where the water spill happened. Now on their website they say it's IP68, which is waterproof. IP68 should be able to be put into a bathtub up to 1.5 meters and still work. So clearly this is lies advertising from Chinese again. Chinese sellers that want to compete with other makers, I guess. But eventually they get found out. So yeah, as soon as I spilt the cola, it died within about a minute. And I've left it drying in the window for days now. So it looks like it's not fully dead yet, but I think it needs to be returned and refunded, and they could repair it probably. Or if I'm going to try and repair it myself, I'd expect at least $40 refund New Zealand, because to get it repaired in New Zealand would cost $65 an hour. And then they no guarantee to fix it, and that's not including parts. So really it's a throwaway item, unless you got cheap labour. Cheap labour in electronics, right? So what can you do? Hopefully it dries out, more lights come back on. Who knows?